On today's episode of how not to start a four-wheeler. Oh, it's fine. No, it's not. So on Sunday, we had I'd say a pretty bad storm. Apparently tomorrow, Wednesday, there's even worse storms coming. And that scares me because if I come over here really quick, as you can see, the fence got taken out. You know why? Because there used to be a building sitting right here. And it got completely wiped out. It got sent across that guy's field. So, yeah, that was a fun time. There's mud in my eye! Anyway, there's a wall from that little building. Oh yeah, those pallets those were sitting up by one of the pens and they got flung into the pen. Right there's all the wood that was in the field. Back here, that's all metal. It's all tore up and no good no more. In this video, I'm just gonna be riding again. Hopefully, at some point, I can follow up to the... Oh, my. Anyway, as you can see, this is a tree that has been taken down by the storm. Anyway, as I was saying, hopefully, I can get some videos of farming because, you know, my channel is Farmer Luke, not, I don't know, ATV Luke. Just give me a second to get out of here. Well, I guess I'm not getting out of here, man. Those holes were already there. You won't be able to see it, but right over there, about where my finger is where power line pole is laying in the field. Because of that power line, this is our current situation. The farm's current situation, it's just hooked up to the freezer though, I think. The neighbor, they've got a generator going. I'm not sure what theirs is powering though. Our generator and our other neighbor's generator is powering the whole house, so. I can't make my own little path. I did one time before, but this is in fact not the way I went, but oh well. Where's a good way out? Right here. I'll just jump over the log really quick. Wheelie! It wasn't shaft! There! Whoa! Oh my! No, come here, you! You lucky little rascal. That was a perfect example of what that guy was asking me in the last video, how fast this thing will go. It'll go 45, but it hits the limiter at 45. So what's the field look like? Ooh, an irrigation bridge! Yay! Oh, this one. Hey! Wildlife! They're holding up traffic. What the heck are they doing? Just stay on the other side of the road. They're holding up traffic over there. Oh no. Oh no. My light. Alright, I got that all figured out now. I hope none of those deer got hit. Oh, they're still standing up on top of the hill over there. This right here is our 6-acre hay field, and I hope to make some videos on it throughout the hay season of making hay on it. Well, guys, that's gonna do it. Another video in the book. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Catch you later.